How to change player name in Beach Buggy Racing 2. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to personalize your profile in racing game Beach Buggy Racing 2, then you can easily do it in a few minutes. First of all, launch open the Beach Buggy Racing 2 game on your device and wait for the main menu to load. Once it does, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top left corner from the home screen. Now you'll come to this profile section where you need to tap Manage Account at the bottom right. On the next page, tap on your name card at the top and enter a new name you want to change to. Once done, click OK and you have successfully changed your name in Beach Buggy Racing 2. You can keep changing your name whenever you want by repeating this step. Now your new name will reflect in your profile. So that's it. That is super quick and easy, isn't it? You've successfully updated your identity on the track. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.